Hi, welcome to the Inside Out leadership lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a values-based decision so you get more of what you want in your life. So the first thing you got to do is to name your values. I would recommend you pick no more than 3. I do this once a year around my birthday. Sometimes the values are the same. Sometimes one changes. Then the next thing I would do is place those words somewhere where you'll see them daily. For example, I have them right now in a picture on my wall right next to my window that I look out at, so I'm reminded of them on a regular basis. You can also put them on a Post-it note or an index card, whatever's your fancy. Then when faced with a decision that you're having trouble making, filter your decision through your values. This will ultimately help you have a values-based life. So for example, right now, this year, I'm working on love. Love me for who I am and for who I'm not. Also loving others for who they are and who they aren't. So I've had to make some decisions on a regular basis. When I see, like, for example, a Facebook post, do I want to get involved in it? How do I want to show up? And sometimes I remember I want to love others for who they are and for who they aren't. I'm also working on living big this year, so being more loyal to my dreams than my fears. And lastly, meaningfulness. So this year I want to coach others to live from the inside out as well. Thus, I took time today to do the video instead of other things. I'm going to leave you with this quote from Roy E. Disney, who was an executive from the Walt Disney Company, and this is so true. When your values are clear to you, making decisions becomes easier. I can tell you it may not make the resulting action easier, but knowing you made the right choice gives you confidence in that choice, and that makes the how easier ultimately, the what you need to do as a result. I don't know about you, but I'm curious to see what's showing up for people this year. So please share in the comments section what 3 values you chose. And until next time, cheers.